Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. What is 5G technology and how does it work? So make sure to watch the full video. So what is 5G? The G stands for generation, thus 5G refers to the fifth generation of wireless technology. The ability to use a phone while driving or away from home was a major focus of the first generation of mobile technology. Or 1G, the short messaging layer, was introduced with 2G. The initial smartphone launches need the fundamental network speeds that 3G offered. Furthermore, 4G LTE's fast data transfer rates allowed us to watch mobile video with less buffering, and paved the way for the development of many of the connected gadgets and location services that we use and like today. A whole new realm of game-changing opportunities is now possible thanks to Verizon 5G ultra-wideband speeds, which are up to 10 times faster than Verizon's average 4G LTE speeds. What are 5G's advantages? High speeds, low latency, and large capacity offered by 5G have the potential to transform a variety of aspects of mobile device usage. How quickly can 5G be? Vary. The download rates of 5G are far faster than those of earlier technologies. In comparison to Verizon 4G LTE, Verizon 5G ultra-wideband, available with some plans, is up to 10 times quicker. 1. You can download a song in a matter of seconds and a movie in a matter of minutes with Verizon 5G ultra-wideband. 2. You can obtain HD audio and video. 3. Mobile gaming is available in console quality 4. When connected, you may stream, share, post, and work in open spaces without being slowed down by those around you. Additionally, Verizon offers the nation's most dependable 5G network, an honor we've received 3 times in a row. 5 America depends on us as its 5G network. IoT, edge computing, and a new era of connection are the future of 5G. Verizon 5G ultra-wideband, with its fast speed, low latency, and enormous capacity, may usher in a new era of connectivity and enable the Internet of Things, IoT, in fascinating new ways. In order to combine its award-winning 5G network with the best cloud capabilities in the market, Verizon has mobile edge computing relationships with Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and a proposed cooperation with Google Cloud. Using edge computing resources, which shift data processing closer to the edge of the network for even faster reaction times, developers and enterprise customers may be able to design large-scale latency-sensitive applications. The Internet of Things will be more responsive as a result, and there will also be great new applications for augmented reality, changes to the supply chain, improved cloud gaming, and more. And for businesses wishing to take advantage of the same benefits, enterprise intelligence can assist connect private 5G networks and Verizon 5G Edge to improve business results. How does the 5G network operate? The network architecture will see improvements thanks to 5G technology. The global standard for a more powerful 5G wireless air interface, 5G new radio, will employ spectrums not occupied by 4G massive MIMO, multiple input, multiple output. Technology will be incorporated into new antennas, allowing more data to be transmitted simultaneously between more transmitters and receivers. On the other hand, 5G technology is not restricted to the new radio band. It is intended to provide a network that converges licensed and unlicensed wireless technologies. As a result, customers will have access to more bandwidth. 5G designs will use software-defined platforms, where hardware is not used to manage networking functionality. With the help of developments in virtualization, cloud-based technologies, and business process automation, 5G architecture is now agile and flexible, and can give users access from anywhere at any time. Network slices, a type of software-defined subnetwork construction, are a capability of 5G networks. These slices give network managers the ability to specify how users and devices should interact with the network. When and how will 5G become a reality? Several countries already have 5G service in some locations. These early 5G services are referred to as 5G non-standalone, 5G NSA. The infrastructure of the 4G LTE network is expanded upon by this 5G radio technology. Faster than 4G LTE will be 5G NSA. However, the industry has concentrated on 5G standalone, 5G SA, a high-speed, low-latency technology. By 2020, it should start to become a reality, and by 2022, it should be the norm. What are the effects of 5G technology in the real world? In addition to ushering in a new era of faster networks and better user connectivity, 5G technology will also give users new connected experiences. Through the use of connected devices that continuously transmit data on vital health indicators like blood pressure and heart rate, 5G technology and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity will make it possible to monitor patients. In the automotive sector, 5G in conjunction with ML-driven algorithms will provide information on traffic accidents and more. Vehicles will be able to communicate information with one another and with organizations on the road, such as traffic lights. These are only two commercial uses for 5G technology that could provide users with more beneficial and secure interactions. What does Cisco provide to the field of 5G technology? Cisco offers this automated software-based cloud-to-client network for 5G, the new Wi-Fi 6, also known as 802.11ax, which shares many characteristics with 5G design, is part of the Cisco One architecture, which is a cloud-first, software-defined architecture that bridges enterprise and service provider deployments seamlessly. What are 5G's advantages? Even though the drawbacks of 5G are obvious when considering how easily a wave can be blocked, or less obvious when considering radio frequency (RF) exposure limits, 5G still has many commendable advantages, such as the use of higher frequencies, high bandwidth, enhanced mobile broadband, a lower latency of 5 milliseconds, higher data rates, which will enable new technology options over 5G networks, like 4K streaming or near real-time streaming of virtual reality (VR), and when will 5G roll out? The first 5G rollouts are mostly being driven by wireless network providers in 4 nations: China and Japan, South Korea, and the US. According to Technology Business Research (TBR) Incorporated, network operators anticipate spending billions of dollars on 5G capital expenditures until 2030. However, it is unclear how 5G services will pay for their capital expenditures. Operators' concerns about income may be addressed by evolving use cases and business models that make use of 5G's advantages. What varieties of 5G wireless services are going to be offered? Network providers are creating 2 different categories of 5G services. Internet access for households and businesses is provided through 5G fixed wireless broadband services, without the need for a connected connection to the building. To do this, network operators place NRs in small cell sites close to buildings to beam a signal to a receiver on the roof or a windowsill that is amplified inside the structure. Fixed broadband services are anticipated to reduce the cost for operators to provide broadband services to homes and businesses because they do not require the installation of fiber optic cables in every home. Customers instead receive internet services using wireless modems installed in their homes or places of business, by simply having operators install fiber optics to cell sites. Users get access to 5G cellular networks through operators' 5G cellular services. The first 5G-capable or compliant devices hit the market in 2019, which marked the start of these services' rollout. The completion of mobile core standards by 3GPP is also necessary for the delivery of cellular services. Key distinctions between 5G and 4G. Data transmission rates and encoding techniques vary from generation to generation of cellular technology, necessitating hardware upgrades from end users. The speed of 4G is gradually increasing and can support up to 2 GBps. Speeds on 4G were 500 times quicker than on 3G compared to 4G. 5G can be up to 100 times quicker. The amount of delay, which will be significantly lower in 5G, is one of the key differences between 4G and 5G, like 4G LTE. 5G will use OFDM encoding or orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. Nevertheless, 4G will employ 20 mHz channels that are connected together at 160 mHz. Larger airwave blocks are needed for 5G than for 4G because it will use channels between 100 and 800 mHz. Uses for 5G. From commercial and enterprise use to more informal consumer use, 5G has a wide range of use cases. High-definition video streaming, interoperability among devices in an Internet of Things (IoT) setting, improved real-time analytics, fixed wireless services, and more precise location monitoring are a few applications that could benefit from 5G. So that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comments section below to tell us your thoughts about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.